My favorite part of the job is when we start a new project and someone comes with a problem, they have no clue where to solve, and I step in to do the investigation part. So navigate between the data and try to make sense of things. So this first part where nothing is really defined is my favorite. For example, I love puzzles. I think this part of my work is similar to assembling a puzzle. Is what make me inspire. Even I could work extra hours just because it's fun. I'm Samantha. I'm a data analyst, and this is my story. I was the first one to get into a university in my whole family. My mom was a retail salesperson, and my father, he worked at supermarkets. My whole family was very proud. I came here to study one of the best universities of Brazil. I was also moving from a small city to a huge city like Rio de Janeiro. Although you are in the convenience of being in a big city, you also have all the nature. Here we are at one of the best places in the city, in my opinion. I really like to be next to the nature. I didn't know about Andela first. I was approached by a recruiter on LinkedIn, and when I get to know Andela, I really like their culture. They have this remote first policy, like ideal. And then I have all the support from Andela to match with a new job, a new client. So this has been really something that impacts my life very positively. Being part of the tech community is very important. I think it's very good to build the network. I can share with knowledge with other people in my area, and I think that is very valuable. Changing the way the world works starts with the people who change it. I think it's very important to make these connections, and since we work remotely, the connections is everywhere. When I got into the university, I did naval engineering. For many times, I was the only woman in the room, like watching a lecture and being part of a project. I participate in a competition team, and when I started, I was the first and the only woman there. And when we go travel to competition, I was separated from the rest of the team. The whole team was in the male dorms, and I was in the female dorm. I saw them many times. During the night, they just keep working, doing strategic planning. And the next day I was there just out of the loop. I didn't know anything. So what I've done to overcome the situation was I reached out an agreement with the whole team. In case they doing something in the dorms, they need to step out, call me, and then I could participate in the planning. And also now there is a woman as a captain of the team, so big improvement in that case. In every industry, we see that we are improving the equity between men and women, but still we are very far from the ideal world. I hope to grow even more in the technology career, and I hope to get to a management position. And that's something I think all women should be leading. Sometimes we need to work harder than a man, and try to leverage the community. There is a lot of places where other women are eager to help